In a year, there are 12 months from January to December. But by 452 BC, there was only 10 months of the year. It means only 10 months in a year as per the Gregorian calendar. January to the December, from January to December, that is calendar, that is the Gregorian calendar. And Gregorian calendar that was started at Rome in Italy, and it is situated in the Europe now. So in the Gregorian calendar there was only 10 months in a year by 452 BC. But after 452 BC, January and February that was added into the calendar, and it had become the 12 months of a year. This is the reason here. And the name of the month, these are the given below. The first name as per the Gregorian calendar, the first month is that is January. January originates from the Janus. Janus is the Roman god of the gateway. On his name, the January is kept. Then second month is the February. February originates from the Februa. Februa, that is the Roman festival of the purification. On that festival, it was named the February. And third month is the Mars. Mars, that is came from the March. March originates with the Mars, and Mars is called the Roman god of the war. And fourth month is the April. April originates from the Aprils. Aprils means opening for the flowers and opening for the leaves in a tree. And fifth month is the May. May originates with the Maio. Maio is the Roman goddess of the fertility. So that's why on her name the May is kept. She is the god of the fertility and spring. Sixth month is the June. June originates with the word Juno. Juno is the principal goddess of the Rome. On her name, the June is kept. July month originates from the Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar was the dictator of the Rome Empire. Then after 8th month came with August. August originates with the Augustus Caesar. Augustus Caesar was the emperor of the Rome. But after 8th month, September, October, November, December has come. In the every month from 9th to the 12th month, Ambar has come. Ambar means, you know very well, in Hindi, Ambar means Asman. Then after, in the Gregorian calendar, 8 months, that was kept the name of their god, goddess, dictator, emperor. But after that, then after, September has come. Septem means, that's the Latin word, Septem means 7th. But as per the Gregorian calendar, that is the 9th month of the year. September. That is called in Hindi Satwa Ambar. Then October. Octo Latin word, that means is the 8th. But there is the 10th month of the year, October. Then November. November means 9th as per the Latin word. But that is the 11th month of the year. And then December. December means 10th. Daswa Ambar. So in this way it is going on. Actual, when our earth encircles the sun in a year, so our earth crosses the 12 ambars, 12 ambars, 12 asman. So 8 months they have kept the name of their emperor name, their dictator name, their god, goddess name. But after that, the Gregorian calendar came to the Indian culture, and they had to accept the word Ambar. So this is the reason behind it.